Hi everyone! Today my mom and I are making red pepper jelly. It makes about 3 cups of jelly and we split ours into a mix of small and big jars. To keep our jelly fresh for a year or so, we are going to be water bath canning it. To do this, we're using a stock pot as our water bath canner. We filled it high enough to completely cover the tops of our jars, and we placed the jars on top of a steamer rack inside the pot to keep them off the bottom. If you don't have a rack that fits your pot, you can make one out of jar rings like this. Set your burner to high and make your jelly while it heats. Start by cutting up and adding 3 large peppers to a blender to give you 3 cups of blended peppers. It only took us a couple of pulses to blend. Blending too much will create too much juice. Add the peppers to a pot with half a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of granulated white sugar, and half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Leave this to the side, and in a separate bowl, prepare your pectin mixture by combining a 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of Bernardin classic pectin, not liquid pectin. Here's what the box looks like. Keep this mixture on standby because you'll need it soon. Bring your pot to a rolling boil while stirring so it doesn't burn. Once it starts boiling, let it keep boiling for 5 minutes and keep stirring. After 5 minutes, reduce your heat down to about medium, add your pectin mixture and keep stirring. Once mixed in, bring the mix back to a boil on high and boil for 2 minutes. Once it's done, remove the heat and you should notice that it's thicker. Now it's time to process your jars. Carefully remove your jars from your water bath canner. Since your jelly is super hot, your cans need to be hot to prevent them from cracking. Now you can start boiling the canning lids to help them seal your jars. Fill your jars with the jelly, leaving a 1/2 inch of space between the jelly and the rim of the jar. Then gently stir the jelly to get out any bubbles. Wipe away any residue around the rims. Seal your jars with the lids and add the ring just fingertip tight, not super tight. Finally, you're going to boil your jars for 10 minutes after it comes back to a rolling boil. If the water level gets too high, carefully remove some of the water. Then remove the jars to a towel-covered counter. Hot jars on a cold countertop can crack. Any leftover jelly that doesn't make a full jar, like this one, must be refrigerated and eaten within a couple of weeks. And now you've got delicious homemade red pepper jelly. They're a super nice gift and a great addition to any charcuterie board, especially with your choice of cheese on a cracker or baguette. It can also be used as a glaze for fish or chicken. We hope you enjoy your jelly as much as we did. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.